Diversion is an alternative program where we provide guidance to defendants for the charges they have committed. This could be felony or misdemeanor cases, depending on the type of charge and their priors. We accept them into the diversion program, and we provide them with treatment, community service work, drug testing, everything so they could become successful and become productive members of society. We hold them accountable while also working through these requirements. So the end goal is to have them become successful through the program. We actually sit with them, we work with them, we boil down the problem, what is the type of treatment that they need. We don't just hand them over a piece of paper and say, hey, good luck. We actually make sure that they're going to be able to comply with the requirements. Most of the time, it's a very impactful program in their life, impacts their personal life as well as thinking twice before they commit another crime. One of the things that I always hear is, thank you so much. This has changed my life. This has been very rewarding. I feel like a new person. And all that is very good on our end to hear, because that means that we're providing a good service for them. Our program is so good and well constructed that most of the time defendants do not reoffend. We are up to 89% on success rate, which is huge. We have doubled our numbers over the years of how many cases we're taking. And again, it's both felony and misdemeanor. We look 5 years back into their criminal history, and if they're a good fit for diversion, we allow them to. We want to give everybody that opportunity. The program, for example, can last from 2 months with a misdemeanor, shoplifting, small criminal trespassing case, all the way to, and then it could go up to 6 months, which is our bigger programs. We're making sure the diversion specialist works hand in hand with them, making sure that they're complying with all the requirements, so that way they could successfully complete the program and have their charges dismissed with prejudice. So the court systems are very, very intimidating, and now going through diversion is, how is this gonna look like? So that's where the diversion specialist comes in and says, hey, it's okay, we're gonna help you. If you want to you're gonna have to put in time, work, effort, but we're gonna get you through this. Give diversion a chance. If you find yourself in a situation where am I gonna go? Should I take a plea? Take the diversion route. We're gonna help you. We've all needed a second chance in our life, and this is a program that provides that opportunity to have your charge dismissed.